Welcome to BUCKTOOL. Today we are going to introduce the powerful knife sharpening system, SCM8103. The SCM8103 is suitable for home, workshop, and professional knife sharpening services. It can meet the sharpening needs of a variety of knives, including kitchen knives, garden knives, and craft knives. Its high-efficiency water cooling mechanism can effectively prevent overheating and help you easily restore the sharpness of your tools. The adjustable speed design allows you to easily master every sharpening detail. The SCM8103 is perfect for various applications. Whether you're working in the workshop, taking on DIY woodworking projects, or enhancing your crafting tools, you can keep your blades sharp and ready to tackle any task with ease. It helps you keep your knives and tools in top condition, making your work more efficient and safer. Before choosing, consider frequency of use, sharpening needs, space, and budget. The SCM8103 provides efficient whetstone sharpening and is a smart choice. Choose the sharpening system that's right for you and make every sharpening easier. BUCKTOOL, a classic American brand, is committed to providing top-quality power tools to every DIY enthusiast and professional craftsman. Let's work together to make the job great. Thanks for watching. Choose BUCKTOOL to help make every creative dream come true. Goodbye.